Forno Appliances introduces you to the Lecce 0545 30-inch induction cooktop. This powerful induction in unpolished black glass with sleek and stylish design that adds a distinguished touch to your kitchen. There are 4 separate induction heating zones for the big or small pots, with 9 power levels from melting butter to boiling water. You can set a timer for automatic shutoff for each element. With the boosting feature turned on, the heating output will be at its maximum, resulting in incredibly quick cooking. Cooking with Forno induction is safe, efficient, with no stove burns. Simple, easy cleaning and maintenance keeps your range top looking like new. The child safety lock prevents activation of any sensor. Forno, a new era of cooking appliance.